start working on this hair. My birthday trip hair. So I got some 613 hair from Diamond Dynasty Virgin Hair. I got 3 bundles, and then I got a frontal. So I have 20, wait, okay, I have 22, 24, and 26 inch bundles, and then I have a 20 inch frontal. This is the Brazilian Straight. So my plan with this is I'm going to go ahead and color it now, and then I am going to make it into a wig. So the one thing that I have run into, like the problem that I'm currently have run into, is that I don't have my hair toner. Like, I don't have the purple shampoo that I've had in the past. I don't know where it is. I must have thrown it away when I moved, but I don't have it. So we're gonna just try this. It is not going to come out as well as I want it to because I don't have the toner, but whatever. You gotta make with what you got. I'm just gonna color it and hope for the best, honestly. So I'm gonna go ahead and unpackage everything. I have some bubble wrap that I don't know where I got it from, but this is gonna be my little table area. I do have some of these. Hopefully this will tone it, actually. I have 3 of the dark, what is this? Dark ash blondes. I have 3 boxes of those, and then I have 1 box of the medium brown, which will be for my roots. I don't know where this came from. I really don't. Did I order something? I don't know where that came from. So this hair is very yellow, and it has a lot of flyaways. It's not super dry like I was expecting. I've been hearing that a lot of the 613 hair is dry, but it doesn't feel dry. It feels normal to me. The only thing I just don't like is this freaking blunt, like the blunt ends. I don't like that. But yeah, so that's the only thing that I don't like about this is like the ends are very blunt. So. guys, so hair is all washed and I am very happy with how it came out. Like, I was very nervous on the color that was going to come out because I've seen where the videos where they were saying that it didn't tone the hair and it came out looking crazy. But it actually came out looking really good. So I got this from, I think, maybe Ross or something like that. TJ Maxx, Ross, one of those. And I use this to dry my hair. So I kind of just, it works perfect because I have enough for my 3 bundles and then I have one for my frontal. Hi, Reggie. Alright guys, all done. We're going to let this air dry and then I'll be back tomorrow and we're going to make the wig. So stay tuned.